Hey guys, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Haven't been updating the videos last week. I had some family in town, so I wanted to spend some time with them. So let's take a look at this oil chart. We're going to be looking at USO. First and foremost, we are in a short-term uptrend. Okay, you can clearly see that right here. All right, you can see we bounced right off of that to end last week. We also bounced off of this previous resistance right here. You can see you could even lower it a little bit right here. So a resistance there, right here, right here. We broke over that, and then we came down to retest it with a very powerful buy signal here in the short term. So I definitely think oil can get a bounce here. I think it's going to head higher. It obviously has a lot of work to do, but in the short term, I think as long as we hold this uptrend line and we don't close below this low right here. Okay, if we close below Thursday's low of last week, if you're looking at USO, I'll give you an exact price, 11.20. Okay, if we close below 11.20 right there, then I'm no longer going to be bullish on oil. I won't necessarily be bearish just yet, but I'm going to be back to neutral. Okay, so right now we're bouncing at support. We're making higher lows right here. We made a higher high compared to these highs right here. Another higher low made right here. So as long as this keeps holding right here, then I want to keep calling for some upside here on oil. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart going back 1 year. All right, so let me move my face out of the way as much as possible. Okay, that's good enough. So you can see here we have been in a downtrend, lower highs right here, but we've also been in an uptrend. Okay, so this is what a triangle looks like. Okay, again, if you know me, you know I'm not huge on patterns, but this is a huge consolidation sideways. Okay, we've basically been trading sideways since, what is this, June or April even of this year. So about 5-6 months we've been trading sideways right here. You can see we haven't really trended. We've gone up, we've gone down, up, down, and in my opinion it looks like we're about to go up again, up to the upper range of this trend line. I do think eventually it looks like unless we kind of fail next week. But as far as what I'm seeing, it looks like longer term, we're going to break over this trend line right here. You can see, remember this failed breakout right here? Well, in the weekly chart, it never closed over that downtrend line right here. So what you want to look for a breakout, a true breakout, not just the shorter term bounce zones that we're talking about, but I'm talking about a massive breakout on oil. You want to see a weekly close over this downtrend line. So to give you a more specific level, that would really be, you want to close over about 1235 at least to close over 1235 on the week. Okay, on the week, not just a day. Okay, but the week needs to close over 1235. So for example, if this week is going to do it, we need Friday's close to close above 1235. Okay? I'm sorry if that's elementary to some of you, but some people don't know how weekly charts work. So that's what we're looking at on oil. Again, if we break to the underside, okay, if we close at 1080 or below on the week, that to me would be a short signal. I know I've covered this in the past. I just wanted to cover it again really quickly just to refresh your memory. You can see lots of support. We've gotten bounces here, so a close below that level would signal a breakdown. I don't think that's the likely scenario. I think the more likely scenario is that we will get a breakout here on oil, but that remains to be seen. So pay attention to these levels on both the shorter term time frames that I covered earlier in the video, as well as this longer term time frame on the weekly chart for a ultimate massive breakout that may or may not happen, but you want to watch this level, because if it breaks this level, that will be the start of the breakout here for oil. So if you don't already know, I have a private membership alert service here at thetradinganalyst.com where I share real-time alerts, both entries and exits, with my members here. When you sign up and join today, you will get access to these alerts. And what you're looking at right now is the portfolio tracker, the Trading Analyst portfolio tracker. This section of the tracker is all of our closed out positions, all of the wins, losses, break-even trades. Every single trade that we alert to members gets uploaded here to the portfolio tracker. And you can see this is showing about the last month and a half of action. You can see that it's filled with way more winners than losers, and the winners are so much bigger. Not only do we have more winners than losers, but the winners are so much bigger in percentage gain than the losers. You know, we have two gains, 150, 169. You know, you're looking at two gains over 60%. The losses are very small, 11%, 25%. Historically, over the last almost 2 years, the alerts have given us a 51% gain on the winners. Average loss is about 34%, so you can see the average winner is much bigger than the average loser, and that is how we remain very profitable. You can see the total gains here, $316,000 going back about 17 months now that we've been using this portfolio tracker here. When you sign up and join, you will get access to these alerts. I text both the entries and the exits in real time. I'm always texting an exit, whether it's a win, whether it's a loss, or a break-even trade. I'm always texting you the exits, all right? In addition to these profitable trading alerts, you're also getting a watch list. The vast majority of these trades are put onto a watch list ahead of time so you can prepare for what to expect. It's also going to help you learn, because you're going to be looking at what I'm looking and seeing what I'm seeing and seeing what I'm looking for on that particular trade. In addition to the watch list, you're going to get an open position list where it lists all of our open positions. Right now we have about 15 open positions at the moment. These are all swing trades. We don't do any day trades. It doesn't fit my lifestyle. I've got 2 kids that I'm watching here at home. I know that you guys probably have jobs, or you're a stay-at-home mom, or you work at home. You've got a busy lifestyle, and these swing trades will fit your lifestyle just as it fits mine. The average length of trade is about 5 days. Very profitable trades. And in addition to that open position list, it lists the targets, the stop losses, the reason for the trade. If there's an upcoming earnings, we put that on there as well. In addition to this, you're going to get private member-only videos where I discuss the upcoming trades, discuss the open trades that we have. It's all about learning and growing, and at the very least, helping you gain confidence in our process, and that's going to help you become even more profitable on your own. In addition to that, you're going to get an educational video section. I've recorded over 20 hours of educational content over the last 7 years that I've had this service. That's right, I've been in business for over 7 years, helping people make money in the market. In addition to that, you're also going to get virtually 24/7 access to me in the live chat, or via text or email. I'm available to you, whichever venue you choose to contact me through. Very responsive, and will help you answer any questions that you might have. So you're going to get all of that today. But most importantly, you're going to get these profitable trading alerts that regardless of your situation, whether you're a pro trader, whether you're a beginner, whether you're an intermediate trader, these alerts are going to help you profit in the market, guaranteed, as they have for several years for our clients. And I think they're going to help you out a lot too. So I'd like to invite you to join today. As soon as you sign up and join, I'm going to start sending you these text alerts and putting money in your pocket with these profitable swing trade alerts. So I hope that you join, Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in there.